Hello everyone, DQ here, and today I have this old Russian dual custody padlock. Excuse me. It comes with two sets of keys. One of them is labeled 1, goes on this side. The other is labeled 2, goes on this side. For the lock to operate, both of the cores need to be turned. Then you can remove the shackle. So let's go ahead and try to pick them. I'll start with number 1. So let me see. Heavy tension, and we have it open. Now the other side. After each pin is set, there is some core movement which indicates progress basically. Okay, this one I failed it, so I'll go again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, let me see. I'll get another hook. Okay. Looks like I can set pin 1 properly, so I will be more careful with my tensioner. Let's actually grab the deep hook. See if I can do something with it. Feels like I'm pretty close. Maybe I'm using too much tension. Let me see if I can stick it in bottom of the QA actually. And try to pick it like that. Why not? Yeah, it's not that easy as I suspected. There's one like really high lift pin which I'm struggling to lift. Let's try with the short hook. Okay, seems like I'm struggling a lot, so let me go slowly this time and examine the pins one by one. So this pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 1, I'll just go with the dick pic. And it's open. Yeah, I don't care, it was not SPT, but as you saw me, I was a little bit struggling. Yeah, the dick pic got it open. So yeah, this is the dual custody Russian padlock picked. And yeah, you can see the mechanism actually, how it works is like it blocks the shackle completely by rotating. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Have a nice day and bye bye.